Hi, my name is Dr. Mukesh Man, and I will take you through this journey of fuzzy logic and its real time applications. I assume you have no prior knowledge about the term fuzzy logic except secondary school mathematics. So, before formally taking you to this wonderful journey, let me tell you that a great teacher once said that life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. So, can you guess who said such a beautiful line? Of course, he was a Chinese teacher, editor, politician, and a philosopher of spring period of Chinese history. And his name was Confucius. So, taking his words, I will try to make this course as simple as possible. And of course, the course itself is motivated from the simplicity of human thinking process and yet taking correct decisions in many complex situations. So, let's begin the course.